Hello, today we're going to be talking about block style variations for Gutenberg blocks. Block style variations basically allow the user to change the look of a block without having to apply multiple settings or having to add in custom code. For example, adding style variations can be helpful for a list block because you can have multiple different design options for the editor to choose from. This is a very helpful feature for clients or content editors because it keeps design options restricted, but also allows you to add some custom styles that may not be achievable through just editing settings for a block through the editor itself. So, for example, I've added a few different style variations for our list. This is the default list with the pink bullets, but there's also a variation with a check mark, one with no disk, and then just a box example that completely changes the style of the list. So let's take a look at how this is achieved through the code. In our functions.php file, we have a function that registers the block styles, and then below that we have an array that has the block name. So in our case, it's core/list. And then we have the different style variation options below. So you would add your slug name and then the name of the variation here. The slug name is important because when you actually apply a style variation to a block, it outputs a class name in the front end. So if I go back to our website and let's say I select the checkmark list, save it, and then refresh this page, and then inspect the list code, you can see that it outputs this class name. It's is-style-checkmark. So checkmark is the slug that we have put into the function for registering the block style. So if I were to select the box option now, save the page, and refresh, you can see that the class name is replaced with the is-style box instead. So after you register your block variations, obviously we need to actually add styles that are associated with those class names. So this is just what we have set up for our list styles. You can see that we've added the list class names here and then the associated styles with that.